Hey folks, Banjo Dan here with another edition of the Eclectic Banjo. Well, as some of you may noticed, I've been playing a lot more ukulele nowadays. I got this back in December along with Christmas presents of ukuleles for my girls. This one is a soprano ukulele, 4 strings. It has a high G string. It is a Martin brand ukulele. They've been a well-known guitar brand maker for many, many years. And I really have enjoyed my ukulele experience as it has been similar to the banjo because it has a high G string on its top string, which the banjo also has a high G string on its top string, and it's what's known as reentrant tuning, which makes the high G string ukulele pretty much the most similar to that of a banjo in terms of its tuning. I've been enjoying learning Clawhammer on the ukulele as well as the fingerstyle pickaninny, and you can see some of my previous videos examples of both. In this video coming up, I'll be playing a simple song, a Tisket, a Tasket, using the Clawhammer style, and I'm also doing something that's pretty outside my comfort zone, which is singing to my pieces. I've been doing more lyrical arrangements of my pieces, and I'd like to get better at singing, and maybe that means I need to take singing lessons. Maybe throw a like in there to think if you agree that I need singing lessons. That would be great. But I figure I just gotta throw my voice out there for as part of a musical interpretation of each piece going forward. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the Clawhammer style elements of the song, as well as maybe a little bit of the lyrical backing as well. Thanks for watching.